Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use Pinterest boards in order to organize your content in the best way possible. Now, as compared to other social media platforms, Pinterest works in a very different manner. It has boards, it has pins, and you can't really share them directly through the platform, but there are other ways to do that. So things work a little bit differently around here on Pinterest. And that's why we need to be aware of the strategies that we can use in order to optimize our content and present it in the best way possible to the audiences on Pinterest. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we need to obviously take inspiration and we need to look around on the boards that other influencers of our niche have created. So if you go into the search bar and we look for Noki, we're going to see what kind of boards they are creating or what kind of content more specifically they are pushing out there. So we can see that their first board is content marketing and social media strategy. So that is one thing. You need to organize your content by specifying the kind of the nature of the content. You need to organize them in such a way that audiences do not get confused and they get directed to exactly what they're looking for. So if we take a look down here, we'll be able to see all of the boards they organized and what specifically are they publishing through their Pinterest account. So let's just say that we go to this board. We're gonna see what kind of, this is a feature board. Now if we click on see all boards, we'll be able to see how many boards they have created and what kind of names have they decided for each board. And they have 64 boards. Now that is really specific and that is a lot of variety as well. As long as you keep providing diverse kind of content to your targeted audience, you'll be good to go on Pinterest because that's what they want. They want to see specifically targeted content that is made for them, that has been designed to attract them. And you can see that they have created boards like Instagram stories, entrepreneur, structured data, style, community, and other such boards like that. So you need to organize your content by following pins from other influencers or other relevant people that you think on Pinterest are representing your niche in a very, very active manner. So this is how you're going to help people out as well. You're going to be adding stuff to your boards, but you're also going to be giving people an idea of what you're representing. So that's how you can use boards, Pinterest boards more specifically, to not just arrange the data that you're providing, but also to attract the attention of the targeted audience. If you go on Behance's profile, we're gonna see what kind of boards they have. Now this is a creative account. All of the content that they're collecting is made up of all of the creative material that people submit to them. So they have architecture, they have portfolios, they have inspired, they have crafts, fashion, furnishing, design, and there's a lot in each of these boards. There are more than at least 200 pins in each of these boards, and that says a lot about their dedication to their Pinterest account. They're willing to engage with the targeted audience by showing them the best creative work from all over the world. They are providing what they promised, the best creative work from all around the world. So that's what we need to do. We need to fulfill the promises that we've made to the targeted audience on Pinterest by providing them with specific information and arrange that information in the form of Pinterest boards. Now also what we can do is we can search for boards right from the search bar. We can search for digital marketing, and if you look for digital marketing here, we'll be directed to a lot of other suggestions as well. In the all pins drop down, if you click on this, we can click on boards and from there on will be directed to boards only. So that's how you can get inspiration about what kind of boards you can create and what ideas you should be using in order to create your own boards on Pinterest. So these are some of the most basic strategies you can use in order to organize your content in Pinterest boards and to get attention of your targeted audience by representing your brand in the best way possible.